Okay, another dinosaur from an egg. This time it's a small egg because it's a small dinosaur, a flying dinosaur, a pterodactyl or a pteranodon. Okay, so there's its body. It's kind of angled that way, and sticking out of the top is its head, little neck. Okay, and it's got a pointed top to its head like that, and then like a point going in the opposite direction. It's got a kind of beak-like mouth, quite a long one is the inside of it, but like a pelican almost, you know, with the top bigger than the bottom. There's its wee eye in there. Okay, now of course it has long arms which are part of the wings, which stretch up like that, maybe a couple of wee bits of like fingers, and then stretching way up to the top like that. Okay, the other arm will come out behind its head, maybe appear about there with the wee finger bits stretching away up there, and there's a kind of thickness there, and the legs are kind of going behind it like that, and it's got kind of long feet. There's the other one coming in there, long toes. Okay, and the actual wing itself comes down and attaches itself to the foot, so you get that kind of look. Okay, it also comes and stretches from there above the arm to the shoulder there. Okay, so a wee bit of line coming in there too, and the other wing will come up something like that. Okay, so let's put this character in now. There we've got our little beady eye. Okay, and then you have the pointed top to his head. Okay, almost like a quiff here, quiff in a hairstyle. And the open mouth coming down there like that. Shade it in if you like. Bottom of the beak. And then this hand or arm stretching up way up like that beyond it. Okay. And nice thin line. And the other one coming in about there. And things sticking up above the wing. Getting narrower as it goes up. Like that, okay. To the point, and then you can attach that bit of the wing to your shoulder, another wee bit there, bring the wing coming right down there like that. Okay, and then the front of the body, just follow the egg shape. Okay, just stop it there, and then you can bring the foot in, and the wings attached to the long pointed toes, and the other one goes in like that. Okay, and then finish off by putting the other wing in, going behind the beak there, and appearing like that. Okay, so there is our pterodactyl, or pteranodon. Great, so you can join me in the rest of my series, because I'm going to be showing you how to draw lots more great dinosaurs. Okay, in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.